Hello friends, in this video we will analyze factorial design having two factors, which is also called Two Way ANOVA. To perform this statistical analysis, we have fruit yield data from tomato experiment conducted to study the effect of 3 nitrogen and 3 irrigation levels on fruit yield, as you can see in this Excel sheet. First of all, we have to arrange our data to an input format for statistical software, but I have already arranged it in this second sheet, as you can see here. After arranging your data in this format, uh, as we have two factors in our for our analysis, but if you want to perform three-way ANOVA, then you have to add another factor here before your this fruit yield column. So first of all, we have to copy these four columns: block column and irrigation column, nitrogen, and then fruit yield. Just copy it and open your statistic software. I use statistics 8.1 because it's not very heavy and very easy to use. Just go to edit menu to import our data and click on paste. Now for analyzing, click on statistics and go to linear models, and then go to analysis of variance and select factorial design. Now specify your input and output variables. Here fruit yield is our dependent variable and block is block variable, which is optional. Irrigation and nitrogen or treatment variables. Now select two-way, as we are performing two-way ANOVA. If you have more factors, you can select according to your factors. Okay. So now our analysis of variance is performed. Go to File and click on Save As and rename your file. We can say it ANOVA and just according to your need, and select your desired location. I want to save it at desktop, so I will save it here. Now for all comparisons, now click on results for multiple comparisons and go to multiple comparisons and click on all pairwise comparisons and select your data and click on LSD. You can use any other comparison method, but mostly LSD is used. Click OK and you have got your output data for this is for water effect on the yield, fruit yield, then nitrogen effect on fruit yield, then you have the interaction of both parameters on the fruit yield. So save this file in your desired location. Now you can close it without saving. Now as you can see, we have our ANOVA For p-value is for irrigation, then p-value for nitrogen and their interaction. We also have standard error and grand mean, and similarly you can check LSD data. Thank you for watching this video. If you find some difficulty in performing this analysis, you can contact us by going to the comment section. I will put this Excel sheet and software in the description. Thank you.